it's Dawn from Ninja Money Crochet. Today I want to show you my Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club. This is for December 2022. This is the last one for this year, and Mary Maxim knocked it out of the park. This is an awesome month. If any of you have been following my channel for a while, you know I really like crochet kits. In fact, not that you can see it, but above me, up on that shelf up there is a bunch of crochet kits. I just really like them. You can just, whenever I need a gift, I just go up on that shelf, grab a crochet kit, and whip up a gift, and I got a gift for somebody. I've done a lot of different crochet clubs and yarn clubs, and Mary Maxim is by far the best one. So I will put a link in the description box below to Mary Maxim if you want to check it out. The cost, let me just pull it up here. If it's your first time buying your kit, it will be $9.99 plus $4.99 shipping and handling. Every other month after that will be $16.99 with $4.99 shipping and handling. So let's get into December's kit. So first of all, you get these really nifty zipper bags with every month, which I think is perfect because you can always put your project in it while you're working on it. So that is always super cool. And this month you get 4 balls of Lion Brand's Comfy Cotton Blend. I've worked with this yarn before and it is fabulous. I love Comfy Cotton Blend. The color is Ocean Breeze. See if I can get that back here where the lights are so you can see it. I mean, I can bring it up here, but here we go. There's a nice sweet spot. There we go, where you can see the colors. So it's really cool. It's got greens and blues, very soft. I love this yarn. So I think if you go on Lion Brand, I believe they have it for like $8.99. You might be able to find it a little bit cheaper on maybe Hirschner's or Joann's. And oops, I'll show you the book. Now, the other great thing with Mary Maxim, you get 1 or 2 patterns. Depends on, sometimes they give you 2, sometimes they give you more than, they give you 1 or 2, but at least always 1 pattern. Sometimes they give you 2, so you have an option. But this month, they give you an entire book, which I think is super cool. This has got 23 patterns in it. It's called Delicate Crochet, 23 light and pretty designs for shawls, tops, and more. This is a really awesome thing. Now, I mean, if you're not into getting these books, well, then it might not be such a value to you, but for me, I love crochet patterns. I love whether they're digital, I love if they're written, I love crochet patterns. So they put this letter in here, and it says, as a Christmas gift to you, we are including a beautiful, perfect bound book, Delicate Crochet, in this month's club. It is a $29.95 retail book and contains 23 wonderful designs to crochet, plus enough yarn to make one of any of the following designs: the filet pullover, the flirt cardigan, the lacy sleeveless cardigan, or the palmy cardigan. We'd like to thank you for being a Mary Maxim Club member and hope you and your family have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So I thought that was pretty nice to include the letter too. So let's look and see what these patterns look like. So first we have the filet pullover, and we'll pull up that and we'll take a look at it. Page 35. Okay. So this is the filet crochet pullover. I think that is pretty cute. So we have that one. And then the flirt cardigan is on page 46. So that is the flirt cardigan. Or we could do the lacy sleeveless cardigan on page 78. Ooh, I like this one. I'm not sure if I want it in the color that they gave me, but I do like that cardigan. I like it actually in the color that's in the picture. Palmy cardigan on 113. So give me a second here to fold this back so you can actually see the picture. That one's pretty too. And let's just check out a few of these other patterns too. This is the berry wine wrap. This looks pretty. Oh, here's another picture of the berry wine wrap. That's really nice. And then this is the blocks shawl. There's some really, really pretty patterns here. Oh, there's a skirt called the Cindy Floral Lace Skirt. I've never done a crochet skirt before. My daughter-in-law has. There's a skirt. I don't know if you can see that one because it's dark brown, but it's pretty. Oh, here's a big picture of it. You can see that. That's pretty. But yeah, so it's got some really nice patterns in here. So I think this is a really, really nice thing. This is something different. I don't think Mary Maxim's done this before, so I think it's really cool that they included this. Oh, this is super nice. I like this one too. Okay, I gotta show you this. This one's nice. I like that. That is nice. I think I like that one. I wouldn't mind doing that one. I think that would look really nice. Could wear that. That one looks really pretty. Some really pretty ones in here. There's some really super pretty patterns. I was looking through this earlier. They even have a Tunisian one, which, you know, Tunisian crochet is like really super popular right now. They even have a Tunisian top, which I think is super, super cool. So definitely a really good month this month. Again, I will put the link in the description box below to Mary Maxim if you are interested in signing up for their club. So there you have it. And happy crocheting, and Merry Christmas, everyone. And hope everyone's doing well and having a good year. Or having a good holiday. Bye-bye.